Hello students, in this video we will see how to prepare alkyl halides from alkenes and also halogen exchange method. From alkenes, here alkenes are the starting material. For symmetrical hydrocarbon, alkene is converted into alkyl halide by reacting with hydrogen halide, where halide is X is chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine. We know that hydrogen iodide is more reactive than hydrogen bromide, then followed by HCl, hydrogen chloride, and HF, hydrogen fluoride. The first reaction is one of the example of electrophilic substitution reaction, and second reaction is in case of unsymmetrical hydrocarbon, the reaction becomes regioselective. It means regioselective means in reactions we get one major and one minor product. Such reactions are called as regioselective reactions. Major product is formed is always follows Markovnikov's rule. Major product always follows Markovnikov's rule, and minor product always follows Karash effect or anti-Markovnikov's rule. Here is one example. When propene reacts with hydrogen iodide, then the propene yields two products, one major product and one minor product. Earlier I already said that major product always follows Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule states that in the addition reaction of unsymmetrical alkenes, the negative part means halogen, that is Br minus bromide, Cl minus or I minus of reagent attaches to the carbon having less number of hydrogen atoms. Look at the major product. The negative part attaches to the less number of hydrogens. Let's come to the minor products. Anti-Markovnikov's rule or Karash effect is exactly opposite to Markovnikov's rule. Here the negative part attaches to the carbon having more number of hydrogen atoms. And next one is addition of halogens. When bromine is added to alkene in presence of CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride, it forms vicinal dibromide. This method is used for detection of double bond in a molecule. Alkene, when alkene reacts with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride, it discharges brown coloration, and this is a test for unsaturation. And next one is, and last method of preparation of haloalkanes from halogen exchange method. The title itself indicates that here only exchanging takes place. Alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide reacts with sodium iodide in acetone. The alkyl iodides can be formed. Here alkyl group and sodium exchanging halogen groups and iodines. This type of exchanging takes place simultaneously. Here also equilibrium takes place. We use sodium iodide in acetone because of solubility. Sodium iodide is soluble in acetone, and the byproducts of this reaction is insoluble in acetone and it precipitates out, then it can be removed. This reaction is also called as Finkelstein reaction. And next one is alkyl fluoride, Schwartz reaction. Here alkyl fluorides can be obtained by heating alkyl bromide or alkyl chlorides in presence of metallic fluoride, that is silver fluoride AgF and mercury fluoride Hg2F2, cobalt fluoride COF2 or SbF3. This reaction, then we get alkyl fluoride. Here also same, in alkyl group and metallic Ag group exchanges bromine and fluorine. This reaction is termed as Schwartz reaction.